Comparative Adjectives quiz. Do you know how to use comparative adjectives like older, better, and more interesting? Test what you know with interactive exercises. Let's begin. Their car is nicer than ours. I like to go to work early because the bus is more crowded after 8. Flying is safer than driving. She's better at volleyball than me. They will move to the city when their children are bigger. He thinks his job is more stressful because he works with difficult people. This town is noisier than my hometown. There's a lot of traffic. Her mark in the exam was worse than mine. Julie moved to the countryside because she wanted a more peaceful life. He is happier in the city because he has a lot of friends there. Walking in the forest with my cat makes me feel more relaxed. It's colder in the mountains than at the seaside. He says famous people are more interesting than his family, but I think he's wrong. The vegetables from my garden are tastier than the ones in the supermarket. The noise from the traffic is worse if you live near a busy road. Thank you for cleaning the kitchen. It's much cleaner now. My sister is older than me. We are better than them. Traveling by bus is more comfortable than traveling by car. The last test was more difficult than this test. This test is less difficult. This exam was easier than the last one. Robin is much stronger than his opponent. Your house is far, but my house is further. Kate is friendlier than her sister. Everybody hates him. He thinks that women are lazier than men. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more valuable content like this. See you in our upcoming videos.